Today, I'm going to teach you how to display WooCommerce reviews made by users with a shortcode. This is a powerful way to showcase customer feedback on any page of your WordPress site, helping build trust and credibility with visitors. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. This will bring you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. To get started with displaying WooCommerce reviews made by users with a shortcode, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll find all the tools you need to extend your site's functionality. You'll now see the Plugins page displaying all available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Reviews. From the search results, look for a plugin called Customer Reviews for WooCommerce. Click on More Details to view an overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you make the most of it later. Once you're ready, click Install Now. The installation might take a little while, so be patient as the system processes everything. Once the installation completes, you'll see an Activate button appear. Click on it to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, turn your attention back to the left navigation menu. You'll now see a new option labeled Reviews. This is the plugin we just installed. Click on Reviews, and from the expanded options that appear underneath, select Settings. This is where all the configuration happens. Within the Settings page, look for an option called Shortcodes. Click on it to proceed. Here you'll be presented with various parameters you can use to customize which reviews you want to display. These parameters include options like sort, sort by, per page, users, and several other call commands. Each one comes with a short explanation to help you understand how to tailor the shortcode to your specific needs. At the top of this section, you'll see a code provided. Simply copy this shortcode as you'll need it for the next step. Now it's time to add this code to your website. Click on Appearance in your left navigation menu. Then select Editor from the options that appear. This will take you to the page editor where you can modify your site's layout and content. Once you're in the editor, look at the left navigation panel again and click on Pages. You'll be presented with several pages where you can add this reviews code. Choose the page you want to display the reviews on by clicking the edit link that appears when you hover your cursor over it. After selecting your page, look at the top left part of your screen and click on the plus button. This is your Add Block or Add Element menu. From the expanded menu that appears, locate the search bar and type in shortcode. You'll see the shortcode block appear in the results. Simply drag this block to the position on your page where you want your reviews to appear. Once you've added the block, paste the shortcode you copied earlier from the plugin settings. Take a moment to review everything and make sure the shortcode is positioned correctly on your page. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click Save on the top right part of your screen to keep all your changes. Your WooCommerce reviews are now set up and will display on the page you selected. And there you have it, you've successfully configured a shortcode to display WooCommerce reviews made by users on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.